YouTube channel. Today we'll be working on developing a simple calculator program in Python. So this is a beginner friendly program and it can be implemented without so much complex code. So let's get started. As we know, a calculator has different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we'll get started by adding individual methods for each of these. So for addition, we'll give two numbers as parameters and this will return x plus y. So same thing we'll repeat. Subtraction will return x minus y. Multiply will return x into y. And lastly, division. So for division, basically we need to include a check like if y is not equal to 0, then we'll proceed with returning x divided by y. Else we'll print a message divide by 0, cannot proceed. So this basically does the validation that the y value should not be 0 while doing the calculations. Let's now add a menu to display these operations. So print option 1 addition. So we'll just repeat the same for the other three. And we'll give one more option to exit from the calculator. Now let's add a while loop. So let's put it to true and we'll define a choice variable. We'll give a message first. Enter your choice. So choice equal to input. So now we'll get the two numbers from the user as input. So we'll print a message, enter the two numbers. So we'll store the first one in x equal to input, y equal to input. Now if int of choice equal to 1, will print result. add of x comma y. Lf int of choice equal to 2 will print so we need to do one more thing here. It should be basically a float which we can give here. And this will be the subtract. Lf choice equal to 3. We'll take the multiply Lf int choice equal to 4. We'll get the divide operator. And else sorry, it should be Lf again. So if we need to exit from the calculator program, we'll give int of choice equal to 5, then break from the loop, and for any other cases it will be an invalid choice. Please check. Well, let's make a few more changes to this code so that it looks better. So we'll add this menu within the while loop, so it triggers every time we run this loop. And we'll make one more change. We'll remove this Lf from here and we'll add it after the choice variable, so that the code will exit from the loop and it won't proceed further. So that's it. Let's run this code to verify the functionality. So we get this menu option now. So we'll enter option choice 1. So we'll enter the two numbers 50, 70. So we get the result as 120. Perfect. We'll go for option 2 now. We'll enter the two numbers 70, 100. So we get the result as minus 30. It's correct. Let's give 3 option. Let's give it as 45 and 70. So we get 3150. And we go for option 4 now. Give 50 and 20. So we get 2.5. And we'll go for option 4 again. We'll give 3 and 0. We get the message divide by 0, cannot proceed. And we go for option 5. it exits from the program. So that's it for today. We'll meet again in next video. Thank you all.